Yat ade no yahaginana the nebrazad yad halyana. This is your Navajo 1 lesson 15 pass off, and then we'll have this video clip here also. So this is what it is. Ne ashni, so that's what I'm doing right here. Ne ashni ne yana ne hodilhiste alse hastin do alse estan do mai do chwash sha'ayilla. And then that's the statement. And then the question that goes with that would be, make that go. Okay. Cheish ne hodilhiste alse hastin do alse estan do mai do chwash sha'ayilla. And your answer would be ne ashni ne yana ne hodilhiste alse hastin do alse estan do mai do chwash sha'ayilla. Okay. Next statement. Dolly do sidi yago dato tlishigi ne hoto tlishde ba ilte. Dolly do sidi yago dato tlishigi ne hoto tlishde ba ilte. Okay, that's the statement. Now the question. Dolly do sidi yago dato tlishigi ha de. So there's two D's. Ha de. Where ba ilte, and the answer dole do sidi yago dado tlishigi ne ho do tlishde ba ilte. Okay, and right there. Next one, anasaze ne halsote ba ilte. And that's the statement. The question is da anasaze ne halsote ba ilte. And the answer O, which means yes. Anasaze ne halsote ba ilte. And the last one, statement. Ne halikrete, which is this yellow one up here. Ne halikrete. This is nahodel, nahodel ij, and ne halso. And the last one, ne halikrete. Ne halikrete. Winesh chidi. If you can see winesh, and it's sitting right here, this little bug. Winesh chidi. Ha aj. And the question would be da ne halkrede winesh chidi do tago doli haj. And your answer should be ne halkrede winesh chidi haj. Okay, there it is. That's your pass off.